Hey guys, it's Monday. We have a yard to do some grading on, and the overall yard just needs a lot of cleanup. Let's get started. This is a before of the property. We have a hurricane fence that needs to be tore down, lots of bricks, just a bunch of cleanup in the backyard. Here we go. We're tearing down the fence now. Trying to get the fence in a pile. Finally got it. Now we're going to start digging up all the concrete blocks that were hidden in the ground before we start grading. More bricks. Finally, we got our topsoil delivered. Let's get started grading. Fixing the transition from the sidewalk to the yard so there's less of a transition. Second load. Fixing the transition we just talked about. And finally, let's smooth everything out. And we're done. And this is the pile.